If you're here, I'm guessing you've suffered the same frustration where you put a brand new sanding disc on your orbital sander and it takes off as soon as you start sanding. There are a few options to deal with this problem, and we'll go over those in a minute. But first, let's take a look at what's going on with this pad. If we look at this old pad, these little bristles here have become sad and lifeless. And what's happening is they're not holding on to the fibers on the back of those sanding discs. If you look at a new pad, you can see all those fibers nice and excited. They're ready to get to work. Option 1, which is basically like throwing away good money. Option 2 involves getting rid of these old bristles. There are a couple of ways to do this, but basically you're sanding them off and you replace them with a sticky pad that has new bristles for your sanding disc. Option 3, and the one I'm going with, is I'm going to replace the backer pad. I picked mine up at the local retailer that I purchased this orbital sander, but I know you can also get these online. Should be an easy fix. Just going to pull out these 4 bolts here, pull the old one off, put the new one on, replace the bolts, and we'll be ready to go. We might as well clean this while we're here. There we go. Good as new. Now, back to work. Thanks for watching.